Hi everyone, welcome to Latest Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today, ready for you, I've got a fun jazzy cardio workout. We're gonna be following the music of Soren Bebe and we're gonna be sweating and we're gonna be dancing and we're gonna be cardioing. I wanted to say a special thank you to Ballet Rosa for providing me with the leotards I'm wearing in the videos. And if you want to know more and if you want to know where to get it, check the Dancewear corner link down below and you're gonna get the beautiful leotards from Ballet Rosa directly at home. But if you're ready for this, find a space in your home and let's cardio it up with jazz. Yeah. And one step, one step, one step, one step, one. Again, one. Lift the leg out and out. 2, 3. Come on, get it working. 5. Few more. Other way, 1. Even with the hands. Slow, 1. Cha, cha, cha. Lift the leg out and 1. Arms up. And change, 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 change. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Arms up. And change, change. One more time. Come on, get those inside thighs working. Arms up. And change. One more time. Arms up. Go out, 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 out. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5. Come on. Not very ballet. But you can have everything of ballet. Walk forward, in, out, in, out, in, out, and hop, and hop, and hop, and hop. Very good. Come on, hop and drag. Walk forward. Other leg forward. And hop. Cha, cha. Double hops. In. Very nice. A little bit of fresh air. Ginger Roger. Beautiful. More. And hop. Little skips. Arms up. Come on with a bit of a hip. And walk on the spot. Very good. Arms up. And open. walk forward. Inhale, other leg with a little cheat. And hold. And slow. And slow. Fast. Go. 1. And slow. And slow. Walks on the spot. And side. Nice and cheeky. And side. Very good. Get the shoulders going. And up. And up. And lift. And shoulders again. 1. Nice. Walk forward. Walk. Well done guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to go and check out the links below for Ballet Rosa Dancewear Corner and Soren Bebe's music. And remember to come and check out the Ladies Dancers Studio where I've got workout plans, ballet classes and everything to make your fitness and ballet life way easier. See you next Wednesday guys. Ciao!